Hello guys. In this video I will show you another way of making money online on YouTube. You don't need to create new content. You just have to download and re-upload videos. You have to give them second life. Second chance. So let's begin. First go to youtube.com. You can search anything here. For now I will search videos about making money online. Then click filter button. And then click on Creative Commons. Everything showing here is free to use. But sometimes you may get copyright strike. So that's why you have to be careful. Choose right video for you. And write down all the credits. You have to take all responsibility for yourself. But this is legit way. Okay, now I will choose one video and download it. You can choose anything you want. A little tutorial how to download video from YouTube. Let's search on Google YouTube to MP4. On this page we'll choose clipconverter.cc. Here you have to paste link of video which you want to download. Paste it there and click continue. Now choose option you like and press start. Now you have to wait a little bit until converting media. When it's done just click download and that's all. Now edit your video a little. Give them intro and outro. For this you can download editing software or find online editing platform. I will show one of them. Type online video editor on Google and search. Here I will choose clidio.com. Press choose files. Select file you want. Wait until it finish uploading. When it's done edit video a little bit. Download and that's all. You can upload your video on your YouTube channel. And of course video not sponsored. Hope you like this video. If you like, hit that like button. If you don't, comment down below why you didn't like that video so I can improve quality of my videos. Thanks for watching. Good luck and peace.